What's going on, guys? Another day, another unboxing. Tis the season for brand new tech. And today I've got the all new Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I have this one in the black color. I'm also getting the silver in here, so subscribe if you want to see that unboxing. Pretty much the same packaging that we've gotten used to with Samsung's smartwatches. It's a white box here. It says Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. On the top, a picture of the watch you got in the color you got it in the middle, and Samsung branding on the bottom. On the sides, you've got Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic written on the left. On the right, nothing. On the top, just the hang tab here, and on the bottom, nothing. On the back, you got some serial numbers on the bottom and some spec information. And right off the bat, I want to let you know that this is the 46mm version, and that this larger 46mm version uses 20mm straps. So that is a change from the Galaxy Watch 3 and the Gear S3, where the larger version took 22mm straps. There has been a lot of discussion and debate online, including some wrong information being delivered from Samsung's own reps about the size of the straps for the larger Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and Galaxy Watch 4. So again, you need 20mm straps. So that collection of 22mm straps that you had, I guess it's time to say goodbye to those. Don't throw them away or anything, because you never know if next year's edition or whenever you upgrade your watch takes 22mm straps once again, but it's time to build a new collection of 20mm straps. Of course, if you're coming from one of the smaller Galaxy watches, then you already have a collection of 20mm straps. On the back, it makes mention that this is the Bluetooth version, not the LTE one. Got Wi-Fi, GPS. Packaging includes the watch, a strap, wireless charger, and a quick reference guide. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road here. People starting to receive all of their new Samsung stuff this week. The Z Flip3, the Z Fold3, and of course the watches. So we are greeted here, first and foremost, with this protective cardboard, which also contains some of our information, the quick start guide here. What else do we have? On the other side, I think we're gonna have our charger. And there we go. Indeed, wireless charger, which is regular USB-C-A. File that off to the side as well. And here is our watch. Right off the bat, I feel like it looks a lot like the Galaxy Watch 3. When I pre-ordered this, they were no longer letting you customize which band you get with it. I would have gone with one of the hybrid leather bands. You can still order those separately, but you're gonna have to pay for it. You can no longer choose it with your watch. So I did go ahead and order some of those. They have not been delivered yet. Stay tuned, I will have a video detailing all of my favorite straps for the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic as soon as I get them all in. Really, really nice. So as I said, right off the bat, it does look quite a bit like the Galaxy Watch 3. Let's bring our Galaxy Watch 3 into the picture here. I will make a video detailing the differences between the two, at least aesthetically speaking, and comparing it with the silver Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I will say that there's some differences obviously with the buttons here on the side, and in the middle here it's a little bit more polished, more shiny, whereas here it's more of a matted, dull finish all the way around. A stainless steel finish, of course. Take a look at them on the sides. Again, very, very similar. Very few differences. The differences this time around are mostly internally, where you've got Google's WearOS powering the device, no longer Tizen. And of course, the difference in the strap sizes here. The larger Galaxy Watch 3, of course, taking 22mm straps, 20mm straps for the brand new Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic in their larger and smaller sizes both. So let's focus on this one for a bit. You see the way that the straps fit. You may have seen in other videos. Some people complain about it, others don't mind it so much, where the strap does not really flex underneath. For example, on the Galaxy Watch 3. If you get a different strap, by the way, you can solve that if you don't like it. You see the strap goes all the way under, like so, but here it's shaped in such a way where when you bend it, it's still sort of on the same plane as the watch. Some may like that, some may not, but again, that is solvable by changing the watch strap. So again, this is the black silicone ridge, I believe they call it, watch strap. The buckle is black to match the watch. On the inside here, it says Samsung Galaxy Watch, 46mm stainless steel case, Gorilla Glass DX, some other writing there, and it says made in Vietnam. You see the buttons this year, again, look a little bit different. They were more rounded on the Galaxy Watch 3. You've got red here on this one, and I believe that's just to tell the difference between the two, but it is a nice touch as well. It might look nice, we'll see. So let's power this thing up, and let's pair it with our all-new Galaxy Z Flip3. Let's see if this has any juice. Clean off the screen as well. So did you guys order the Galaxy Watch 4 or Watch 4 Classic? If so, which one? What size? What strap did you get with it? I'm curious to know in the comments section which of these watches, sizes, etc. are the most popular. Start screen says Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox, and we get a welcome screen here. So let's do that. Let's swipe up. Get started in the Galaxy Wearable App. So put this off to the side. Got our flip here. Let's open that up. We are in, and it already detected our watch. I'm gonna go to connect. I will allow. And boom, we are in for your review, sending up diagnostic data. I am going to opt out of that. Link the plugin with the watch, yes. Terms and conditions. Allow the watch to access your contacts, I will agree. Allow. Make and manage phone calls, allow. Access the calendar, phone logs. Obviously, if you want to use your watch to its full potential, you'll probably need to allow all of those things. I am just going to uncheck usage and diagnostic reports here. I'm just going to uncheck usage and diagnostic reports here. I will keep the other stuff on for now. Getting Google account info. So far, this has been pretty easy, pretty seamless. Now you can choose to restore your watch from a backup. I guess it's a Tizen backup, or start fresh. I chose a backup, and I see my last backup was all the way back in April. So given that, I'm just going to skip and start it fresh. Now I'm really curious how this watch is going to work with the all new Pixel 6 series, the Pixel 6, the Pixel 6 Pro. I will also be getting that into the channel. So if you want to see that and be notified when that's out, you know what to do. And there we go, all set. Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, out of the box, 53% battery. And this is going to be a new experience here with WearOS. I'm excited to see where the Galaxy Watch series is headed with this, and how well eventually these are going to work with other Android phones. Take a tour of your watch. Start. Let's check this out here. Swipe down from the top to open the quick panel, much like Tizen. There we go. Swipe up to go back to the watch face. Very nice watch face, I might add. For apps, swipe up from the bottom edge. Okay, that. I don't know. There we go. All right. Swiped down to go back to the watch face. For notifications, swipe right. Tap to open this notification. Swipe right from the edge to go back to the previous screen. Much like navigation gestures on your phone. Swipe left to go back to the watch face. And I believe our tour is finished. For tiles, swipe left. Press the home key to go to the watch face from any screen. That's it. Enjoy your watch. Don't miss a thing. The dot means you have a notification. All right, I think things are pretty much set and the same as they were on Tizen. I'll take a really quick tour here around the Wear app with our Galaxy Watch 4 Classic connected watch faces. We've got a bunch here. Of course, you're gonna have access to a bunch of these on the Google Play Store now. Tons and tons of watch faces, including some of the ones that you may have missed and want to keep on your new watch. You got the Frontier style, you got the Tomcat style from the Galaxy Watch. Really nice. And speaking of that, let me take off my Galaxy Watch. And we've already compared with the Galaxy Watch 3. Why not take a look at how it compares with the Galaxy Watch if you're upgrading from that. This is a little bit more bulky and squarish in design, much more rounded here. You see the buttons, how different they are. I really like this watch. I love it, and I love the way it fit and looked. And we'll compare this with the silver Galaxy Watch 4 Classic when I get this in here as well, because it does look different, even though they're both silver versions. So there you see your watch faces, apps. You can reorder your apps, go in and change certain app settings. Tiles, there you see the tiles you have, tiles you can add. A bunch over here, really, really nice. I'll mess with those a little later. And going back, if you go to the quick panel, you can rearrange and reorder your shortcuts there. You can add things that aren't there yet. Let's go back. And of course, you've got a tips and user manual section here as well to help you out. And let's also check out how this thing looks when it's on our wrist, shall we? Let's see. I'm gonna have to bring this closer to my body, but put this on. Obviously, like any other watch, just the strap. It might be a little too snug. And there it is. It really does look and feel a lot like the Galaxy Watch 3. I think the only difference is that the strap that it comes with and the straps that you buy from the Samsung store will have that property of kind of being on that same plane as the watch and not bending all the way down like it would with Galaxy Watch straps of the past and any third-party strap that you may put on it. So that's how it looks. Of course, the strap may affect how it looks, but here we are. Galaxy Watch 4 Classic on my left wrist, Galaxy Watch 3 on my right wrist. Again, they look quite similar. We compared the design already, but if you wanted to see for yourself on a wrist compared with last year's, this is how it looks. So that's it, guys. It's been the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 46mm version, Bluetooth only. Again, I'm gonna have more coverage of this watch, including an unboxing and comparison with the silver version. When all of my straps get in here, I'll show you my favorite straps to pair with both the black and silver versions of this watch. And when I get my Google Pixel 6 Pro in here as well, we'll see how easily and well this watch pairs and works with that phone now that it's using WearOS. So subscribe if you want to see all that. Click or tap that thumbs up if you like this video to let me know that this is the type of content that you want to watch. Be safe, guys. Take care of yourselves and everyone around you, and I'll see you in the next one.